guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys are trying to test your radiator cooling fan on your vehicle guys, we'll show you what's the easiest way to do that. Now, you'll require guys a special tool, stay with us, all that will be listed in the description of the video below, and we'll show you how easy it is to diagnose your vehicle with that tool. We'll be working on a BMW, but it works on any car actually guys, any car you can do that. Now, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please hit that subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it and show you how to test that radiator fan now. So this is the radiator fan guys. Okay, if your fan does not work, okay, what could happen? Okay, if the fan doesn't work, your AC may not work, your car may overheat, especially on a hot summer day or being stuck in traffic. AC will not turn on because this is a safety feature that will turn the AC off so your car does not overheat again, and the Freon will need to cool, otherwise it will not work. So quite a few things guys could be caused by a not working fan, but the most dangerous one is overheating your engine, which could cost you thousands of dollars. Now this is the computer that we'll be using. It comes with quite a few things and connectors. Let me show you here. It's really amazing too guys. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. Okay, and you can do so much. Okay, you can read delete codes from every computer, you can do live tests, you can actually program computers on so many vehicles. Check this thing out. You can even work on Lamborghini and Ferrari. That's amazing. So what I'll be doing now guys, okay, we're going to go inside that vehicle. Okay, and I'll show you what needs to be done. We have that part of the computer, the programming device that's connected to the OBD connector scanner port of your vehicle. Usually it's somewhere under the steering wheel. Now we'll go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. Now I'll go back and select BMW right here. We're going to wait a little bit to load. He'll ask us to enter our VIN number, or you can manually select your vehicle if you want to, but I'll just do the VIN number, it's way quicker. And it will tell us exactly which vehicle we have, what engine and all that stuff. Now it's establishing communication, it may take just a little bit of time. This computer, the cool thing about it is being wireless. So we can go outside in just a minute with the computer, there is no cables or anything like that, so you can actually guys do the test really easy. So we'll go guys to diagnostics, control unit, we'll select drive. Next, this is DME, this is the digital motor electronics, this is your engine computer. And after that, we're going to wait until it loads. Okay, our battery is a little bit low at 11.8 volts, so we definitely need to go ahead and recharge it. We'll click active test right here. And we need to select electric fan. Okay, this one right there. Fan is selected, test condition now. I'll go outside so I can show you if the fan will turn on and off. Okay, and now we're going to click activate. Okay, it's activated and it will activate the fan for 20 seconds guys. So you can see fan is actually working, never stick your finger inside of it or anything like that. 20 seconds and you're going to hear the different speeds. So you can definitely see that this tape is good guys, this fan is good, everything's working good. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you do it on any vehicle pretty much. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.